welcome to class 6. You are watching integer. So now in the previous classes you have already studied on the natural number and whole number. If a question arises, what do you mean by natural number? Natural number means the number which begin from 1 and the whole number means which is begin from 0. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नेचुरल नंबर जो है वो आप शुरू करते हैं 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, and W stand for whole number. So it begin from 0 1 2 3 and so on. But now the question arises, what do you mean by integer? Integer means what? It is the collection of negative numbers along with a whole number is called what? Integer. So now I am telling you how the integer forms. Suppose this is what? The whole number. Whole number begin from 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, and then the collection of negative number. So then you shall keep in mind that negative number shall be it should be written to the left side of a 0. Left side of a 0 means -1 -2 -3 and so on. So this the collection of the negative number along with the whole number is called what? Integer. Okay, so this is the whole number and this is the negative number. Clear? So these collections are called what? Integer. So how can we represent on a number line? We can represent on a number line in this way. You have to make at a distance of every point at a distance of one unit each. Okay, so you can see that the positive number that should be placed on the right side of a 0, whereas negative number should be written on the left side of a 0. In this way we can represent a number line. So now the question, what do you mean by absolute value? Absolute value means what? It is the modulus of integer. It is the modulus of integer. What is modulus? Modulus indicates the distance of integer from 0 on the number line. भाई कोई भी जो नंबर है, जो संख्या है, वो 0 से कितनी दूर है ये हमें पता चलता है. तो व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ मॉडुलस? मॉडुलस का सिंबल क्या है? इन दी विथ 2 स्ट्रेट लाइन. और ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन जो मैंने दोनों के जो 11 की तरह लग रहा है, तो इनके बीच में हम क्या लिखते हैं? कोई भी इंटीजर दे सकते हैं, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव हो चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो. मगर उसको हम लिखेंगे कैसे? देखो, सपोज here the two straight line -3 is placed between these two straight line. This means that the modulus of -3 is what? 3, and the modulus of 5 is what? 5. Okay. Hello, I am discussing on the operation of integers. So number 1 is the addition property. You must keep in mind the sum of two integers is always an integer. As for example, suppose 5 plus 2 is what? 7, minus 5 plus 2 is -3. So both are the integer. Okay, and second one is a change in the order of addition of two integer. A change in the order of addition of two integer does not change the sum of those two integers. As for example, suppose if we add between the two integers 5 plus and within bracket -2, then what will we have? We have an answer what? 3. So let us show on a number line. Suppose this is a number line and you know very well that positive sign should be written on the right side of the 0, whereas the negative sign should be written on the left side of a 0. Okay, so here 0, positive side should be written on the right side 1 2 3 4 5 and negative on the left side -1 -2 -3. So what is the, suppose this is the number what? Plus 5. So where is plus 5? We have to mark on the plus 5. Okay, now we have to add to whom? To -2. So -2, then we shall get towards what? Towards left side. This is the -2. So what will we have? We get an answer what? 3. Okay, but in second case, if we change the order of these two numbers, suppose let us see -2 plus this one. So here the first integer is what? -2. So where is -2? Here. Okay, and we have to add to the plus 5. Okay, so then we have to move towards the right side. तो हम किस तरफ मूव करेंगे? राइट साइड में. कितने स्टेप लेंगे? 5. देखो 1 2 3 4 5, ये मेरा 5 आ गया, मैं यहाँ पे ले आया, यानी कि वी मूव द 5 स्टेप, मैं 5 स्टेप टूवर्ड्स लिया, तो कहाँ पर आ गए हम लोग 3 में। तो फ्रॉम बोथ दी टू केसेस वी हैव द सेम इंटीजर, इट डज नॉट चेंज the sum of those two integers. Okay, in the similar way we can say that if we change in the order of the addition of 3 integers, say 3 integers, it also does not change the sum of the 3 integers. Okay, this is the fourth property of when the sum of an integer and its additive inverse, we always get what? 0. Okay, so suppose this is an integer and this is the additive inverse, and when we sum up we get what? 0. As for example, suppose 2 plus within bracket minus 2, we get what? 0. Clear? So now I am discussing on a subtraction property. Number 1 is that the difference of the two integer इज ऑलवेज एन इंटीजर। अगर हम कभी भी दो संख्याओं को अगर हम माइनस करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा क्या मिलेगा? इंटीजर मिलेगा। नंबर 1 पॉइंट देखो, अब मान के चलो कि 5 माइनस 3 मुझे क्या मिला? 2 माइनस 5 प्लस 3, ये भी क्या हो गया? इंटीजर, कि ये दोनों मुझे क्या मिल गया? इंटीजर मिल गया। फिर आ जाओ, अगर हम सपोज इफ वी चेंज इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू इंटीजर, देन वी also get an answer in different way. I mean, if a change in the difference of the two integer always change in the difference between the integer. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, अगर मान के चलो अगर हम दोनों के बीच में माइनस किया 5 माइनस 3, तो मुझे क्या मिला? आंसर 2 मिला। अगर मैं इसको ऐसे कर दूँ, देखो इंटरचेंज किया, मतलब इसको यहाँ ले आया, 5 को मैं यहाँ ले गया, तो मेरे पास क्या आंसर आया? -2। तो इन दोनों में मैंने देखा कि ये क्या हो गया? डिफरेंस मिला। ठीक उसी तरह अगर मैं 3 इंटीजर के बीच में अगर मैं डिफरेंस निकालना चाहूँगा तो उसके आंसर भी क्या होंगे? अलग आएंगे। ठीक है।